to our channel. Today's video is going to be how to do this fabulous hat, promotion hat, graduation hat, cap and gown, cap for graduation. Ours is going to be a promotion cap or graduation cap from preschool to kindergarten. Luna, it's we all are in quarantine, so all of our graduations are going to be at home, and that's how this cap for your preschooler. It would be cardboard, and I cut this from, it's like the lid from a box. So you'll need cardboard, you'll need felt, and I got blue. Fortunately, I got this color. You could probably do it black or whatever, but I have blue, so I'm going to be doing it blue. And you will also need some kind of yarn to do the little tassel. I think scissors, of course, to cut your felt and your cardboard and everything. You need a ruler or measuring tape to measure the cardboard, and to put it together, you either could sew it together by hand and needle, or if you have a sewing machine, way better, faster, or you can just simply do it with hot glue gun. The first thing that we're gonna do is measure how much of the cardboard we're going to need. You see their head is right here, so we simply put it on the top like this and kind of measure about 3 fingers out. Over here I kind of guesstimated where my finger is and kind of see how much that would be. 10. Okay, so 10, and this way is another 10. Now we're gonna go get our fabric that we're using, our felt from this, and I'm giving it about, how much would be, about an inch all the way around, and okay, now we have both of our sides and our cardboard. We're halfway there. Now for our head, and that's the little part on the bottom that actually goes on your head, we're going measuring tape like this. Then it's way easier because then you just go from here to there. So we're gonna measure the circumference of her head, and that's in the front, and we want a little bit of her for her forehead. 21, right about here. 21, that's the circumference of the head, and then this height is 10. Now you see right here, we cut 2 inches, if you can see, from folding it in half. And now when we extend it, we have this figure, and when we open it, we have this kind of a Wonder Woman situation right here. So when we put them on their head, I did it like that in case I made a mistake and then I have an extra. So now I'm going to cut this. So the measurements, if you don't want to have cut doubles like me, instead of being 10 up, then you'll be doing the 5 and not doing the double like this. Right here on the very top, I'm going to make little cuts of maybe half of an inch, just like this. Now that you have all these slits, it's good to go. Okay, so now what we have to do is sew them together. If you're going to sew them together, face them each other with there's a more fuzzy side than the other side. Close them together, sew it inside out, and we're going to slit our cardboard inside. Okay, now I have here, I already sewed my thing, and now I turn it inside out. And now we slide our cardboard inside. Okay, now that we have that inside, we're gonna need our hot glue gun and our hot. It's all glued now, so now we're gonna do our side over here, and these little slits are gonna help us get them stuck to our hat, just like so. Make sure that we have a nice face looking forward. So remember, it doesn't go like this with your head like this, it goes like this. So we gotta remember to stay on a diamond in the back side, glue side towards our head. And then we're gonna remember to put this pointy part from our side to the pointy part over here. So we're going to see how much. Yeah, so if we have this measurement, if we have this ruler, 5 and 7 is where supposedly our head, our circumference will be. So we're gonna get our little slit like this, and then we're going to hot glue. Before we continue doing our other side little lids here, we're gonna make sure that these two are connected. So we're gonna go ahead and do our last lid. With this, we have our hat already. I have glued all the inside. There you go. We're going to do our tassel, and our tassel is with some. This yarn is a little bit bigger than, like, it's thick. So we're going to, I'm gonna make a knot right here at the end so the yarn doesn't completely like fall apart. And right in the center, we're going to hot glue it right there. Look at this. Our hat, our graduation hat is done. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like it? Please, if you do, give me a thumbs up. Congratulations, Luna. You're going to be promoted to kindergarten. There you go. The cardboard's not so heavy. The tassel looks pretty cute. If this is too big, you can obviously cut it or simply push the hat back. Look at this, Luna. Look at this. The tassel goes right here. It looks pretty nice. And Luna, it looks pretty nice. And Luna is graduated or promoted. Yay! You like it, Luna?
Yeah.
She likes. Congratulations, you are graduated. Yay! Good job. Good job. Okay. And that's how we're going to be doing. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Thank you guys for all the ones that have subscribed. Click the bell to notify you when I have a new video. Click the little thumbs up button if you like today's craft. It was really quickly, and Luna loved to get her graduation going on. And it's really easy to do. Yay! Let's get to doing our promotion hat. Throw it up. Woohoo!